Hi, my name is Clara, and I am going to show you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I hope you're going to enjoy the video. Here I have 2 pieces of bread and a knife and some peanut butter. I don't really like jelly on peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, but you can put jelly. As you see, I am using a knife to get the peanut butter out of the jar and spread it on the piece of bread. And then once it is all spread, I try the other piece of bread. And then I'm going to put the knife down. And then I grab 2 pieces of the bread. And then I stack them on each other. And then I close the